In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to protect an Excel sheet with a password. If you want to prevent other people from making changes to a specific worksheet in your Excel file, protecting the sheet is a simple and effective option. This is especially useful when you want others to view information, but you do not want them to accidentally edit formulas, delete content, or change important formatting. To get started, open Microsoft Excel and then open the workbook that contains the sheet you want to protect. Once your workbook is open, look at the Sheet tabs near the bottom of the window and click the specific worksheet you want to secure. It's important to select the correct sheet first, because sheet protection applies only to the worksheet that is currently active. Next, go to the Review tab at the top of Excel. In that tab, find and click Protect Sheet. This opens the protection settings for the selected worksheet. You'll now see a field labeled Password to Unprotect Sheet. Type in the password you want to use. Make sure you choose something you can remember, because this password will be required later if you want to remove the protection or make certain changes. Since Excel will ask you to enter it again, typing carefully here can save time. After that, review the permissions available in the same window. This part lets you decide what people are still allowed to do while the sheet remains protected. For example, you can allow users to select locked cells, select unlocked cells, format cells, insert rows, sort data, or use auto-filter. These options are helpful because protection does not have to mean completely locking everything down. You can keep the important parts of the sheet safe while still allowing limited interaction where needed. Once you've chosen the permissions you want, click OK. Excel will then prompt you to confirm the password. Re-enter the same password carefully, and then click OK again. At that point, your worksheet is protected. If someone tries to edit a locked area of the sheet, Excel will restrict that action unless the sheet is unprotected with the password you created. This makes it a great tool for protecting important calculations, templates, and structured data from unintended changes, and that's how to protect an Excel sheet with a password.